Hi, I am Karen Higgins. I am Engineer Manager in Collins Aerospace in Kilkeel, Northern Ireland. Down in Kilkeel we manufacture aircraft seating. We do main cabin seating and premium cabin seating. The type of customers we have are Qatar Airways, British Airways, Lufthansa, Etihad, and those types of airlines. Each year we take on intern placements and graduate positions for manufacturing engineers, quality engineers. The type of person we're looking for, the type of skills that we would like to see, are a positive attitude, someone who has a passion for engineering and who shows that they have a willingness to learn and a willingness to grow themselves each year and to continually develop themselves. And also people who are focused on results. It's a very fast-paced environment in Kilkeel. We need someone who will work hard to get the results and ship our seats on time to the right quality to support our customers. Another key skill that we do need is communication skills. The team in Kilkeel work very, very closely together. We have cross-functional teams that support all the lines in the different areas. We need people who have excellent communication skills and can work well together as a team. The manufacturing engineers, we really need that they have excellent skills both over the phone and through email and technical presentations, because they would be working a lot with our engineers and design engineers in North Carolina in America, and we need them to work very closely and be able to concisely convey any issues that we have. Collins Aerospace is a very exciting place to work. If you would like to come and join us, please keep an eye out for job advertisements in the local job advertising agencies. Thank you.